In today's fast-paced business environment, relying on outdated or basic accounting software can severely hinder growth and efficiency. As a project management expert, I understand the critical need for robust financial management tools that can scale with a company's ambitions. This is where cloud-based accounting solutions like Sage Intacct come into play. But which kinds of companies are recognizing the power of this platform and integrating it into their operations? Let's delve into the diverse range of businesses that are using Sage Intacct to streamline their finances and drive better decision-making. Sage Intacct isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Its flexibility and scalability make it attractive to a wide spectrum of organizations across various industries and sizes. While it's particularly popular among mid-sized businesses that have outgrown entry-level software like QuickBooks or Xero, it also caters to larger enterprises and even smaller, rapidly growing companies with complex financial needs. One of the strongest holds for Sage Intacct is the software-as-a-service (SaaS) industry. These companies, characterized by subscription-based revenue models and the need for sophisticated revenue recognition, find immense value in Sage Intacct's advanced features designed specifically for their unique requirements. The platform's ability to handle recurring billing, track customer acquisition costs, and provide deep insights into SaaS metrics makes it a preferred choice for many burgeoning and established SaaS businesses. Beyond SaaS, professional services firms across various domains, such as consulting, marketing and advertising, and IT services, are increasingly adopting Sage Intacct. These businesses often deal with project-based work, requiring robust project accounting capabilities to track billable hours, manage expenses, and ensure project profitability. Sage Intacct's project costing, time and expense management, and sophisticated reporting functionalities provide the necessary tools for these firms to maintain healthy margins and make informed decisions about project performance. The nonprofit sector also represents a significant user base for Sage Intacct. Nonprofit organizations have unique accounting needs, including fund accounting, grant management, and donor restrictions. Sage Intacct's ability to track multiple funding sources, manage restricted funds, and generate comprehensive financial reports tailored to nonprofit requirements makes it an invaluable asset for these organizations striving for financial transparency and accountability. Furthermore, companies in the healthcare industry, including hospitals, clinics, and healthcare technology providers, are leveraging Sage Intacct to manage their complex financial operations. The platform's ability to handle regulatory compliance, track patient revenue, and manage intricate billing processes makes it a strong contender in this highly regulated sector. The financial services industry, encompassing investment firms, insurance companies, and other financial institutions, also finds Sage Intacct's robust security features, compliance capabilities, and advanced reporting tools essential for managing their intricate financial landscapes. The platform's ability to handle multi-currency transactions and provide detailed audit trails is particularly crucial.